This is another problem. Laplace transform of root t plus 1 by root t whole cube. Now observe this one. Till now we have solved the problems without fractions. Means the power of t is simple number. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Now we are getting here root t means, how should I write that one? T power 1 by 2. 1 by root t is nothing but t power minus 1 by 2. Like that. Now in that manner I am writing here Laplace transform of root t whole cube plus a plus b whole cube formula. I am expanding inner part. 1 by root t whole cube plus 3a square b means 3 into root t whole square into 1 by root t. 3 into 3ab square, 3 into root t plus 1 by root t whole square. Now Laplace transform of root t whole cube means root t is nothing but t to the power of 1 by 2. Root t is nothing but t to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by root t is nothing but t power minus 1 by 2. Then Laplace transform of t 1 by 2 whole cube means 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3, t to the power of 3 by 2. Laplace transform of minus 3 by 2, that is t power minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Again in the same way, root t whole square is t power 1 and t power minus 1 by 2 is, on simplification we are getting t power 1 by 2 again plus 3 into Laplace transform of t power minus half, like this. Using this technique we got the now observe the terms powers of t, every power is in terms of fraction. Now I explained you one important formula, wonderful formula. Laplace transform of t power n is nothing but n factorial by s power n plus 1. When n is some without fraction, but here instead of n, here we have 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, like that. Then I gave you immediately another formula, gamma n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Then using that formula, now here t power n is there, then 3 by 2 plus 1, gamma 3 by 2 plus 1. You should not use factorial when it is in terms of fraction, the power of t is divided by s power 3 plus 2 1, gamma n plus 1 is by s power n plus 1. Then what is that? Laplace transform of t power n when n is in the form of p by q. I am writing here. Then plus minus under gamma minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into gamma half plus 1 by s power half plus 1. Now last term 3 into t power minus half is there, under gamma minus half plus 1 by s power minus half plus 1. Then this can be written as gamma 3 by 2 plus 1 means gamma 5 by 2 s power 5 by 2. Gamma minus half s power minus half. 3 into gamma 3 by 2 by gamma 3 by 2 s power 3 by 2. 3 gamma minus half plus 1 means gamma half under gamma half by s power 1 by 2. Then already I gave you the formula, gamma half value is square root of pi, gamma 5 by 2 value 3 by 4 root pi divided by what is that, s power 5 by 2. Next another one, gamma minus half is minus 2 root pi s to the power of minus half. Next gamma 3 by 2 is nothing but, this is 3 is there, 1 by 2 root pi means 1 by 2 root pi means 3 by 2 root pi divided by s to the power of 3 by 2. Next plus 3 root pi by s to the power of half. This is the problem. Simple problem. Just try to understand the concept based on this formula. Laplace transform of t power n equal to gamma n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Already I gave you gamma 5 by 2, gamma 3 by 2, gamma 1 by 2, gamma minus half. All these values I have given to you. Directly you substitute it. If you don't know that expansion of gamma function, directly you mug up and simply you write it, then it will be correct. Till now Laplace transform of only continuous functions we have calculated. Suppose if it is discontinuous function, then how to calculate the Laplace transform of discontinuous function? For example, I will consider one example problem here. Find the Laplace transform of f of t defined as f of t equal to e power t when t 0 is less than t is less than 5. Means f of t is e power t when t lies in between 0 and 5. When the t is taking 0 and 5 values between 0 and 5, then the function value is e power t. If t is more than 5, the answer is 3. Means once again, find the Laplace transform of f of t defined as f of t equal to e power t when 0 is less than t is less than 5, 3 and 3 when t is more than 5. Means observe this one. Actually this function they have given in between 0 and infinity. Our Laplace transform, they have given the definition between 0 and infinity. Once again, recall the definition of Laplace transform of f of t. Integral 0 to infinity means we are t values are taking between 0 and infinity. Now they have given two functions. It is 0 to 5, it is continuous function. Then we have some break at t equal to 5. That's why if t is more than 5, the function value is 3. Means that's why they have given two function values, e power t and 3. E power t between 0 and 5 and 3 value more than 5. Then how to solve this type of problem? Answer: Laplace transform of f of t, I am writing here basic definition, integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Because observe the question we have discontinuous at t equal to 5. That's why first of all I am writing here this definition, integral 0 to 5. This I am splitting this interval 0 to infinity. 0 to 5 e power minus st f of t dt plus again plus 5 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Then I have splitted integral 0 to infinity between 0 and 5 and more than 5. According to that problem I have taken like this. Now integral 0 to 5 e power minus st, the f of t value is what? Between 0 and 5, I am substituting here e power t dt plus 5 to infinity e power minus st, the f of t value is 3 into dt. Then now what I am doing here, integral 0 to 5 e power minus st e power t I have taken common, e power minus of s minus 1 into t dt plus 5 to infinity e power minus st dt. Then according to integration e power at formula, e power at by a, then e power minus s minus 1 into t by minus s minus 1, the limits are 0 to 5. 3 into e power minus st by minus s, 5 to infinity, first integral and second integral. Then substitute the limits here. First of all 5 e power minus 5s minus 1 by s minus 1. Then e power, this is over, first limit is upper limit is over, minus, already here minus is available, minus into minus it becomes plus. Then e power 0 is 1, in place of t only we are substituting. Now these are t limits, that's why wherever t is there, there only you substitute these values 0 to 5. Then e power minus of s minus 1 into 0 is e power 0, it becomes e power 0 is 1, 1 by s minus 1. The first part is over. The next one, infinity e power, in place of t if you are substituting minus s infinity, e power minus s infinity value is 0. Some any value e power minus infinity is 0, because 1 by e power infinity, 1 by infinity, that is 0. 3 into e power minus 5s by s up only upper limit is 0. That's why we are taking plus minus into minus, it becomes plus. While substituting lower limit, we are getting minus. Already minus is available, e power minus 5s by s. The final answer is what I am doing here. S minus 1 I have taken common. Then it becomes 1 minus e power minus 5s minus 1. This is the answer. Plus 3 by s e power minus 5s. The another thing is I am writing here. I am writing in systematic order. I have taken s minus 1 is common. This is the problem.